Hello everyone, welcome to the SRBPS online classes.
Today we will start 16.2 exercise. Our question number 2 is the perimeter of a rectangular plot is 120 meter and its length is 34 meter. So students, two information is given to us. First one is perimeter of rectangular plot is given and second one is length, that is 34 meter. So I have written the statement perimeter of rectangular plot is equal to 120 meter. Length of rectangular plot is equal to 34 meter. Question is asking from us find the breadth and area of rectangular plot. So we have to find out breadth and area. So students, remember one point, that is when any value is given in the question, so we have to use that formula only. In the question perimeter value is given, so we will use first of all perimeter formula of rectangle. Now what is the perimeter of rectangle? That is 2 multiply length plus breadth. Yes, once again repeat with me students. 2 multiply length plus breadth. Now we will put the values. Yes, length value is given in the question, that is 34 meter. So below I'll write 34 meter. Now breadth we have to find out. So at the place of breadth we will write B only. Perimeter value is also given in the question, that is 120 meter. So below perimeter I'll write 120 meter. Now students, remember one rule, that is if any number is there and multiply it one side, when we will shift it on another side, so it will be in divide, it will be converted into division. So when we will divide 120 by 2, then we will get the answer 60 meter. Now what is left? 34 meter plus breadth. Students, one more thing you have to remember. If any value is there in plus, when we will shift it that side, so it will be converted into subtraction. It will be converted into subtraction. So we will first subtract now. 60 meter minus 34 meter is equal to breadth. When we will subtract these two numbers, I can find out my breadth value. If we will subtract, so what answer we will get? 26 meter. So I can say that breadth of rectangular plot is 26 meter. Now I have find out breadth, that is 26 meter. Now one more question is left, that we have to find out area of rectangular plot. So what is the area formula? Area of rectangle is length multiply breadth. Length is already given in the question, that is 34 meter. So I'll write value 34 meter. Breadth I have find out right now, that is 26 meter. So I'll put the value 26 meter. Students, when we will multiply these two numbers, we will get the answer 884. Now what unit should I put here? See, 1 meter and second meter. When 2 meter are there in multiplication, so it will be as meter square. Clear students? Now the area of rectangular plot is 884 meter square. Now we will start our next question, question number 3. The length of a room is 3 times its breadth. If the width is 0.75 meter, width means students breadth only. if in the question width is given, so no need to confuse that. It is what? It is, we are talking about breadth only. Find its area. Also find the cost of flooring. Flooring means, students, covering the floor permanently at the rate of rupees 45 per square meter. Students, width is given to us, so I have written width, that means breadth of rectangular floor. Why I have written rectangular? The reason is, students, when in the question length and breadth is given or length and breadth is asked, it means we are talking about a rectangle. So width of a rectangular floor is equal to 0.75 meter. Now question is giving one more information. Length of room is 3 times its breadth. Breadth means width. 3 times breadth. 3 times width. So what do you mean by times here? Times means multiply. When we are talking about times in maths, so it means, students, that multiply. So 3 multiply width. What is the width value that is given in the question? Width is given in the question 0.75 meter. So we will put the value 0.75 meter. Now students, I always used to tell, when we are doing multiplication in the decimal numbers, so ignore decimal. So when you will multiply 75 by 3, you will get answer 225. Yes, now check. In number, after how many digit dot is there? 1, 2, dot. It means after 2 digit dot is there. So in answer also, after 2 digits we will put the dot. 1, 2 and dot. And the unit is meter. So we can say that length of rectangular floor is 2.25 meter. Now students, we have find out length of rectangular floor, that is 2.25 meter. Now the question is, finds its area, and area of rectangle is length multiply breadth. So what is the length? We have find out 2.25 meter. So we will put the value here, and breadth is 0.75 meter. So we will put the value of breadth. Now let's multiply these two numbers. Students, when we will multiply these two numbers, I told you in the case of decimal, when we are multiplying two numbers, just ignore decimal, then multiply those two numbers. When you will multiply those two numbers, you will get the answer 16,875. 16,875. Now check students, in numbers, after how many digit dot is there? 1, 2. In this number, after 2 digit dot is there. In this number, 1, 2. In this also, after 2 digit dot is there. So total after how many digit dot is there? 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So in answer, after 4 digits, we will put a dot. Clear? And how many meter are there? 2 meter. So we will write down meter square. So it will be meter square. So the area of rectangular room is 1.6875 meter square. Now in this question, one more thing is asked from us. Find the cost of flooring at the rate of rupees 45 per square meter. Per means, students, 1. It means cost of flooring 1 meter square area is given to us rupees 45. So I have written cost of flooring 1 meter square area is equal to rupees 45. Now students, obviously If the flooring will be there, then it will be on full floor, na? Or only on 1 meter square? Obviously, on full area of the floor. So, full area of the floor we have find out 1.6875 meter. Now we will find out the cost of flooring on 1.6875 meter square area. Now students, when we are moving from 1 meter square to 1.6875 meter square, or when we are moving from 1 to the higher value, then we will multiply. We used to multiply. So we will multiply 1.6875 with rupees 45. Students, yes, find out the value of this. When you will multiply these two numbers, you will get the answer as 75.9375 rupees. Students, I always used to tell, while doing the multiplication, just ignore decimal. When you will multiply these two numbers, then you will get the answer 7,59,375. Now check, in number after how many digit dot is there? 1, 2, 3, 4. So in answer also after 4 digits we will put the dot. So my answer is rupees 75.9375.